In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive desktop notifications for incoming Zoom meetings. By the end, you'll have a simple reminder popping up on your computer before a meeting starts, so you don't miss a thing. We'll adjust one setting in your Zoom account, and I'll share a few quick tips to make sure the alerts actually show up on your desktop. Start on your Zoom homepage and look toward the lower left corner for My Account. Click My Account to open your personal dashboard in your browser. This takes you to the web portal where most of Zoom's global preferences live. If you're using the desktop app and you see My Account there, clicking it will also open the same account page in your default browser. Once you're in your account dashboard, look for Settings. You'll usually find it in the left-hand sidebar. Click Settings to open all the controls that shape how meetings behave for your account. This page is organized into sections so you can quickly find the category you need without hunting through every single option. Next, switch to the meeting area of your settings. You'll see tabs or a menu for different categories. Choose Meeting to focus specifically on preferences that affect the meeting experience. This is where Zoom groups the options that apply before, during, and after your calls. Within the meeting area, locate the section labeled Schedule Meeting. Click Schedule Meeting to reveal all the options related to how meetings are set up and how reminders are handled. This section includes the setting we need for desktop alerts, so expanding it helps you find the control quickly. Now find the setting called Upcoming Meeting Reminder and toggle it on. Turning this on enables a desktop notification ahead of your scheduled Zoom meetings, giving you a visible prompt to join on time. If the switch appears locked or controlled by your organization, you may need an administrator to enable it. Otherwise, once it's on, your Zoom app and operating system will work together to display the reminder. A few quick tips to ensure you actually see the notifications. Keep the Zoom desktop app running in the background. Allow notifications for Zoom in your computer's system settings, and avoid Do Not Disturb modes during meeting times. This setting affects scheduled meetings on your calendar in Zoom, so you'll get the most consistent results when your meetings are created or synced properly. That's it. You clicked My Account, opened Settings, went to Meeting, opened Schedule Meeting, and enabled the upcoming meeting reminder. With that, you'll get helpful desktop nudges so you're always ready to join on time.